Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question given. Let's read the question. This note figure not drawn to scale. In the figure shown, line C intersects parallel lines S and T. So these lines are parallel. S and T. What is the value of X? So, okay, in this one, you've been given 110 degree. So over here, so what do you think the angle over here will be? So to complete, right, to 180, so technically you're gonna take away 110 from 100, so that gives you 70 degrees. Okay, this is 70 degree. At this point, there are different ways to solve this question. If two lines are parallel, you have learned the Z rule. Remember, there is a Z here. And you can say, because of the Z rule, this will be 70 degree as well. If that side is the 70 degree, opposite side will be also 70 degree. So the X will be, the value of X is 70 degree. You can also solve this question. When you find the value of 7 in here, you can also say that, look, the angle X and this angle are looking at the same direction, and these two lines are parallel. Then you can also say that if this is 70, this is also 70 degree. This is also another way of solving this question. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you around.